Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, June the 16th. No, not Tuesday, Thursday. Wow, it's Thursday. I'm 2 days behind. No, it's Thursday, June the 16th, 2022. I've already solved these two puzzles. Well, I think the publisher has switched those puzzles. This is really a 3 stars or 4 stars, and this one is a 1 star. 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, and the killer Sudoku. But first, we will solve this baby! Binary puzzle number 4710. Yeah, 4710. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then I need to think or compare. I think we need to compare. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think we need to compare. Okay. So can we compare this column? Let me see. Double one here. No. Oh, here. Oh, no. Do we have another double one here? Oh, 1. 10. Yeah, we need to compare this row and that row. All right. 1, empty box. 1, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Okay, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be O. This should be a 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay, and now 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. Cannot believe this. Okay, we compare the columns. That's the question. Well, yeah, this column and that column. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. With O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 5 minutes. You need to compare twice. Yes, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.